Danfoss in Ames, Iowa designs and manufactures hydraulic pumps and motors for off-highway vehicles. Our team's focus is on the M46 assembly line, where 3 types of pumps and 1 type of motor are assembled and tested. Danfoss has had issues with units being returned after failing in low-pressure environments. To remedy this, the company is adding a sequential low-pressure test on the M46 line to provide an additional quality check. In order to still meet takt time, a second air decay tester is required. Our project focuses on designing a new workspace for the air decay station in order to minimize the impact of having a second station and improve the unit flow down the line. Our main objectives were to decrease the cycle time of tandem units to under 280 seconds by improving their cycle time with the second air decay, as well as have a layout that would allow units to still flow even if one of the other air decay testers was offline.
Currently, Danfoss only has 1 air decay tester that runs at high pressure. There are 3 pallets in total for work in progress that follow a guided path around the air decay system. Once the units are done being tested, they are hoisted over to the test stand. There is also unutilized teardown space behind the air decay that can be removed. In order to fix the problems that Danfoss has, our team came up with several designs in SolidWorks to give to Danfoss. Each one was evaluated on how much space required, the paths it could block, the distance of the hoist movements for the line and test stand, the work in progress number, and the ergonomic impact of the operator at the station. Our group met with the engineers and team leaders at Danfoss to discuss the ramifications of each design and improvements that could be made.
The changes varied heavily all throughout the project. Some of the designs were originally created were scrapped only to be brought back and adjusted to be more compact and reduce space. The final solution we came up with is 2 separate air decay stations. Each can run a high and low pressure test. It'll be featuring a turntable with fixed load points and can hold up to 4 completed units. This new design resulted in a 21% decrease in hoist movement compared to the current state and a 22% increase in floor space. The next slide shows the final design with better angles so you can see a better view.
This new design will result in a 25% cycle time reduction for tandem models. Based on the profitability of the line, this will equate to about $1.16 million in savings based on a 3-year 14% MAR. Add that with the reduction in customer action requests, that yields $175,000, with total savings of $1.32 million for our project.